Okay, guys. What I'm going to alert you to now is this. Okay, imagine I had x over 3 equals 10. There's two ways I can do this. Method 1 is common denominator. Common denominator method would I'd say if I put 3 on the bottom here, I need to put a 3 on the. I then say x over 3 equals 30 over 3. I then say the denominators don't matter and x equals 30. A second way of doing it would be x over 3 equals 10. If the 3 is division on the left, what is it when I move it over? What's 10 multiplied with 3? 30. I'll pause it there. Can everybody see that? So, we're going to use this knowledge to do question 32. In question 32, you have 6x squared minus 5 over 13 equals minus x. One version of me will put 13 on the bottom, 13 on top, cancel the 13s, and get minus 13x on the right, 6x squared minus 5x, minus 5 on the left. Everybody cool with that? Another version of me will feel slightly lazier, and he'll just go division of 13 is the same thing as multiplication of 13 on the other side, so he'll end up with this. Both of them end up doing the same thing. That's the story I want to take home here. We're both doing the same thing. Next thing, 6x squared plus 13x, take away, yes? If you use the first method, yes. If you use the second method, no. I just see the 13 here. Division of 13 on the left, brought it to the right hand side, turns to multiplication. No, I'm not crossing off, Joe. There's two methods. This method, there's no crossing off. Okay? Now, the minus 5. What's the special number, the reference number? Anybody?
30.
Minus 30. Two numbers that multiply to give you minus 30, but add to give you plus 13. Minus, what? Plus 15 and minus this, okay. What's next then? 6x squared, yeah?
15 minus 2x, plus 15x.
Plus, yeah, minus 2x, excellent. Take away your 5. We're nearly there now. What do they have in common? You won't get the correct answer if you just take out x. Do you got it? You have to take out a number. If there's a number to be taken out, you need to take it out as well. So what do you reckon? 3x into plus 5. We know straight away that has to be the exact same thing. What number goes here? Before I move on, what do I do? What do I do? Before I move on, how do I double check? 3 by 2x, 6x squared, 3 5x, minus 1 by 2x, minus 2x, minus 1 by 5, minus 5. Every time. Okay? Took 5 seconds. After that then, 3x minus 1 into 2x plus 5 equals 0. Then after that, 3x minus 1 equals 0. 3x equals 1. X will equal 1 over 3. 2x plus 5 equals 0. 2x equals minus 5. X equals minus 5 over 2. Okay, I've done well. Okay, first thing you notice is, for those of you that were wondering about crossing off the bottoms, Joe, this is where I might ask you to just pay attention. There's two methods, okay? The first method is you do common denominator methods. If you put 11 on the bottom, you must put 11 on the top. Then cancel the common denominators. You end up with that. That's method number 1. Finished, right? Method number 2 is simply you say, well, look, that's division of 11 on the left. So then when I bring it to the right, it must be multiplication of 11. And then you just get rid of that 11 there. That 11 has been moved, so it's gone. Okay, that's the two methods. Bring the 11 over the other side then, so you get 4x squared minus 11x minus 3. equals 0. You get a reference number of minus 12, which means you're using minus 12 and plus 1. You're going to get 4x squared minus 12x plus 1x minus 3 equals 0. You're going to get 4x into x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 equals 0. You should get x equals 3 and x equals a quarter using the usual method. Okay, I'm just going to save a bit of time here. You'll end up with x equals 3 and x equals minus a quarter when you're done. Okay, I'll see us we'll get that done. Alright, moving on. So I've done 32 followed by 31, yeah? Okay. Any questions? Question 47, lads. They make it look like it's amazing. It's such a difficult question. The deal is, guys, multiply everything out and make sure there's a 0 on the right hand side. So I'm going to start multiplying everything out. First of all, 2x by x, 2x squared. 2x by 1, 2x. 3 by x, 3x. 3 by 1, 3. Nextly, x plus 3 squared. So that's x plus 3 by x plus 3, which is x squared, yeah, plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. Pause there. Anybody have any questions for me? Now, let's have a look-see. 5x, happy with that? How much is this? Alright, 2x squared, move everything to the left. So everything that's on the left has to move. So it's going to be 2x squared, take away x squared. It's going to be 5x, take away. It's going to be 3 take away 9. Okay, then what? X squared, yeah, equals 0. It's a short one. It's an x minus 3 and a x plus 2. It's very short. X equals minus 2, x equals 3. In class now, try 49. It's quiet. This is x minus 1 plus 6 equals x plus 7. This is x squared minus 1x plus x squared plus 6x plus 36. This one is x squared plus 7x plus 7x plus 49. Yeah.
If you get a chance to, should you factorize it if it's on either?
No, I'm gonna move everything over one side. I'm doing nothing fancy. No fancy stuff. Okay. Uh, 12x minus 2x is 10x. 1 plus 36 is 37. That in turn equals x squared plus 14x plus 49. Move it over again. 2x squared, take away 1x squared. 10x, take away 14x. 37, take away 49. X squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. It's a short one. It's an x minus 6 and an x plus 2 equals 0. X equals minus 2. X equals 6. Alright.